Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Luz and today's video is week number 3 keto update. So today is officially day number 24 out of 100 days of keto challenge, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys my week 3 update as well as what I eat in a day. Yesterday I filmed everything that I ate and I put it all together in a little clip for you. My original plan was to film a workout routine at the gym, but every day this week that I went to the gym, somebody was in there and I was not about to go and bust out my phone to film myself in front of strangers. I'm just not there yet, guys. So instead, I decided to film a what I eat in a day. So if you're interested in watching what I eat in a day as well as my week number 3 progress report, then go ahead and keep on watching. So now that week number 3 is officially gone, let me just say it got a whole lot easier. Last week I was still struggling with cravings, but not so much this week. And I think that has a lot to do with being in a deeper state of ketosis. And also, I've just not been as hungry as I used to. I feel like I get full pretty quickly, and I'm finding that I have to force myself to eat. Other than that, I've been feeling really good. My energy has been through the roof. I feel motivated. I feel better. I have more mental clarity and just more focus. So before I show you guys my progress report, let me show you everything that I stuffed in my mouth yesterday. Guys, so I like to start my morning off with some coffee. I do see some keto coffee or bulletproof coffee. I basically use the unsalted Kerrygold butter. I do a tablespoon, and then I do 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Then I use the French press coffee, and I use coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I have this gigantic tub that was gifted to me from my mom. So yeah, that's that. So once I have all the ingredients in here, I use my Powerlix frother that I picked up from Amazon and mix it all together. So this is kind of like my breakfast, and honestly I know that some people say this is not fasting, but I fast with my coffee. I don't eat an actual solid meal till after 10, and so technically, some people say this is not really fasting. It's up to you, but this is the way I do it. You go ahead and do what's best for you. Just showing you guys what I do and my journey. So here are the ingredients that I will be using for this quick little meal. First off, I got some sliced turkey. I purchased this from Walmart. I have some cream cheese, some no salt seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice, and some jalapenos because I love spicy food, and these La Banderita carb counter whole wheat wraps. These have 5 net carbs, so they're pretty good as far as keto goes. And here are the nutrition facts right over here. So because I am gonna go work out, I want something that is filling, that has a little bit of carbs, and that's gonna keep me going. If you prefer to work out fasting, you go ahead, girl. I'm gonna go ahead and eat something because I just want the energy to work out. So let me show you guys how I make these little roll-ups really, really quickly. I'm gonna start off with my tortilla. And this is about 2 ounces, maybe 2.5 ounces of cream cheese. It does not need to be melted or softened. It can be, but I find that once we roll it up, it really is not going to be a big deal. I am putting in about 2 slices and seasoning. I like to season my cream cheese, and then some jalapenos. Do you guys eat this? If you're on keto, do you guys eat the carrots? I'm gonna throw in a few. I don't think that would be like a whole lot of carbs for that. I know we can't really technically have carrots, but here we go. And there we go. Quick little meal before a workout. Guys, it's time for my second meal, and I am having some of this. It's a egg roll in a bowl. So basically it has pork, cabbage, like a coleslaw, a bag of like shredded coleslaw or shredded cabbage, whatever you want to call it. I'll put the recipe down below. I got it from Pinterest. I did meal prep it, and this is just what I've been eating this week. So it's super yummy. I haven't gotten tired of it, and I actually look forward to it every single day this week. I will definitely be making this recipe. Super easy. It took like 15-20 minutes to make. It's delicious. And I am also gonna have a little bit of iced coffee. I French pressed my coffee in the morning. Well, I French pressed my coffee this morning, so I had a little bit of leftover, and I just poured it over ice, added some heavy cream, just a little splash of it, and then a few drops of the sweet drops from Sweet Leaf. So yummy, yummy. This is my second meal of the day. I guess I should call it lunch. It's currently 1:24, and I'm already back from the gym. Not super hungry, but I know I need to get some food in my system. It's because I don't want to be starving later. So let me eat this. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. Happy food dance. Happy dance. I have food in my belly. I'm happy. Yay! I'm hungry, and it's 7 o'clock, so a little bit past my eating period, and I want to end the night on a sweet note. So I am taking this little piece of brownie. It's from Goodies. I will go ahead and put the link of that. I purchased it off of Amazon, and it's pretty much like a brownie. You can make your own brownies, and it's keto friendly. It has low carbs. So I'm gonna go ahead and nibble on this, and yeah, that's it. That's all I ate today, guys. Now, something that I said last week was that I was gonna start counting my macros. I started on Monday, and then Tuesday I was over it. I realized I really don't need to count my macros just yet. I want to keep on losing more weight, and maybe when I hit a plateau, that's when I'll start counting my macros and being a little bit more focused on what it is that I am eating, and maybe tweaking the calories and all that. But until then, I'm just gonna stick with eating the things that I'm allowed to eat and not eating the things that I'm not allowed to eat, and not really so much on my calories or my macros. I am still working out 4 times a week. Whoop, whoop. I feel great. I really want to get that workout routine out for you guys. We are moving next month, so if I'm not able to pull out my camera this week, anytime before that at the gym, what I'm gonna do is just wait till we get to our new place and get some equipment and start doing home workouts. Let me know if you'd be interested in watching those. I know a lot of people are self-conscious of going to the gym, and maybe working out at home is easier for you. So if you're one of those people, I will be having those workout routines coming up soon. Coming up after we move, but until then, hopefully I can get a workout routine at the gym. All right, you guys, so let me go ahead and show you my results. And that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. And while you're at it, click that notification bell. That way you can be notified every single time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and stay blessed. Bye.